In the cosmic ballet of daily existence, the act of cleaning emerges as a ritual and intimate dance between a cosmic custodian and the celestial spaces they navigate. Picture a cosmic caretaker, donned in the attire of order, stepping onto the grand stage of living spaces, armed with tools and elixirs that hold the promise of celestial rejuvenation. The cosmic stage is set with the diverse elements of daily life, a celestial landscape where objects, surfaces, and spaces play their roles. The cosmic custodian approaches, a conductor of cleanliness, ready to orchestrate the unfolding drama of tidiness. As the cosmic custodian begins to dust, it's more than a mere physical act, it's a cosmic declaration. The celestial duster moves gracefully, capturing and dispelling particles that have settled like stardust on surfaces. Each stroke is a celestial promise to banish entropy and restore clarity to the cosmic tableau. Enter the cosmic vacuum, a spacecraft navigating through the debris of disarray. With a gentle hum, it creates a celestial vacuum on floors and carpets, symbolizing the literal and metaphorical removal of cosmic clutter. In the celestial symphony of organization, the cosmic custodian becomes a conductor, placing items with precision. Shelves transform into constellations of neatly aligned books and possessions, and drawers become cosmic containers cradling the essence of tidiness. The rhythmic ballet of sweeping and mopping follows, erasing footprints and cosmic residue. Water and cleaning solutions become cosmic elixirs that cleanse and rejuvenate, leaving celestial surfaces gleaming with the radiance of cleanliness. Through the act of cosmic window cleaning, the custodian unveils portals to the celestial cosmos. Windows, once veiled in cosmic grime, become clear lenses inviting the cosmic light to permeate spaces within. Gazing through a freshly cleaned window becomes a cosmic experience, a connection with the vastness beyond. In the grand narrative of daily life, cleaning stands as a celestial ritual, a choreography of order and cleanliness that transforms living spaces into sanctuaries of cosmic clarity. The cosmic custodian, whether an individual or a collective force, becomes a steward of celestial harmony, contributing to the eternal dance of tidiness in the cosmic tapestry of existence.